Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Watch View Vision 4K security camera. 64GB HD camera. It's a small nanny cam, a pocket cam, a surveillance camera with motion detection. And it comes with night vision. And there is more, because it comes with a power bank function. Really cool. This is the Q21 power bank with additionally integrated security camera system. We have here an upgraded mini body cam, because this cam can take photos in 2K resolution, taking into account a high degree of clarity and details. This providing high quality video security cameras. And it is a video only device without audio or with not so good audio. And we have 2-in-1 10,000 mAh power bank. That means rechargeable power bank with a large capacity. With the new high density polymer battery, it has a larger capacity under the same volume. And minimalist and elegant LED digital display shows the battery power, also accurate by 1%. And it's easy to use, as you can see. We does not need any kind of network, no app. It comes with an easy operation because only one button is there and a lever. After operating the manual, we can get the 2-in-1 portable power bank easily operation. It's really easy. We format the memory card as a FAT32 or NAXFAT before we connect it to a computer via the micro USB port. And it supports memory cards up to 256GB. If we like to change the time stamp on the device, we have to go with an editor into the time file. There we can format the year, the month, and the day. And of course the clock time. And then we can start. Get back the micro SD card into position and we are ready. We insert the memory card. And if the memory card is missing or not readable, we can see in the display there will be shown a different card, for example. Then we can change the card, the micro SD card. For charging, we charge the device by a wall charger with a Type-C cable. It will be fully recharged in only 8 hours. The battery in person will show on the screen how much refilled the power bank. And we can have an auto flip. The device will flip the screen automatically according to the gravity conditions and keep your footage always upwarded. And if we have a low power, the device will be shut down after the indicator lights flash 5 times. And to turn it on, we press the button for approximately 5 seconds. Indicator lights turns from blue to light blue. The device then is recording when it's turned from light blue, topless L mode, or the green M mode. So then we have a switch, L and an M mode. That means the L mode takes videos. The blue light stays on when the device is on. The video will be captured continuously and the clip saved every 3 minutes. When the memory card is full, the new video will override the old clip. If we are switch the lever to the M position, this means the trigger take. The green light will stay on when the device is on. And once the camera detects movement, it will start capturing videos in 3-minute segments. The device will stop capturing and enter the standby mode when the movement is detected. Not anymore. And then, of course, we have a night vision version. We press the power button twice while we make a movie, for example. The night vision mode will go live when the indicator light goes off. We press the button twice again, the light will come back on and the night vision mode will be turned off. So you see the operation is a little bit tricky because only one button and one lever operation, and but then it works, of course. When the device is not functioning properly, we can charge it and reset the device using a SIM card extraction tray tool, for example. On the reset button, we can shut down it. We keep it pressed in 9 seconds, and it will flash 3 times, and then it will be kept off. Then data transmission. We connect camera to the computer. When the SD card is installed in the camera, we use the micro USB cable in the box. You can transfer the data and files after the computer recognizes the SD card. The camera's blue light indicates should be on all the time. And of course, we can remove the micro SD card and get this to a card reader and connect this to our device, like a personal computer or something else. Then we have here an app included, which can operate from USB-A to USB-C to micro USB and Lightning. And this makes us really easy to make a big bunch of possibilities to connect this device here. Of course, we will get 2 cables included, USB-C to USB-A and micro USB to USB-A, to get these jobs good done with that device. That's a cool device, I think, because it's a power bank with an additional camera system. You can make good shots with that in this price range here. And this is fun stuff, and this is a nanny cam. If you need such, you can get this by WatchView Vision 4K security camera system and power bank. This is a 2-in-1 device. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.